Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna cook pasta with broccoli and mushrooms. All ingredients below in the info box. We're gonna be using farfalle pasta, Parmesan cheese, garlic, mushrooms, and broccoli. In a boiling water, we're gonna be adding salt and pasta. Now we are going to chop mushrooms, broccoli, and garlic. When your pasta is ready, reserve the water for later. In a pan, we're gonna be adding olive oil and garlic until they are golden brown. Then add the mushrooms, salt, fresh black pepper, broccoli, the pasta water, now let's cover the pan until the broccoli is cooked. Now we're gonna be adding Parmesan cheese, pasta water if you want, pasta, butter, mix it up, and here you have the pasta with mushrooms and broccoli. If you like this recipe, please leave me thumbs up. She's Candy, my coton de Tuliara, and she's my partner in crime every Wednesdays with my recipes. Please follow her in her own videos every Saturday. And right here you have my social media. Please follow me and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. See you next time. Bye bye.